Alright, hello everyone. Today I want to make a quick video on this error in the RemotePlay installer that I'm going to show you in a sec. I found a workaround for it that does work, and I'm making this video because it has come up in the Horizon Speedrun Discord, and I've had the problem myself, and some other people have had it. So I want to make a video on it. All right, let's go on ahead. I'm going to show you the problem. The problem is this. You eventually click through the RemotePlay installer and get this error that you apparently don't have the media feature pack installed. So if you get this error, there's two things you should check beforehand. First thing you want to check is go ahead into your settings, and I'm running Windows 11 here, and this looks a little different on Windows 10. On Windows 10 you gotta go to System and then scroll down on the side to About. On Windows 11 it's right there. And you want to check if the Windows edition you're running is an N version. You can see right there is an N. Wow. Okay. If you're running that, then if you're on Windows 10 and your version is older than, or is one of these four, then you should go to this link, microsoft.com/enus/software download media feature pack, and get the media feature pack from right here. If, however, your version is newer than that, you need to go to Apps, Optional Features. If you're on Windows 10, you need to go to Apps and Features and select the little Optional Features button that's somewhere at the top in your accent color. And right there, you need to click View Features and search for the media feature pack. There it is. Click Next and install that. If you're not on a Windows N version, then you should search Features in your Start menu. In here, go ahead and check if Media Features is ticked. If not, you need to tick it and press OK to install it. If, however, you're not on a Windows N version, or you've got the media feature pack installed on either, and you're still getting this error, then here's a workaround for you. Go back into the installer by opening it just like normal, and wait until this screen right there is done. Or you could just wait until you're on this screen right here. What you need to do is type into your search bar $, TMP $, and go to that folder. That folder is going to look something like this. A bunch of random files with random names. Somewhere in there should be folders that are named like this. It's an UUID. I can't tell you the exact one, but in one of them is this RemotePlay installer right here. Once you're in this folder, copy this RemotePlay installer blah 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 .msi file to somewhere else on your PC. I'm just gonna make a folder in my F drive and call it RemotePlay. Alright, once you've got your file, you want to open either PowerShell, CMD, whatever, it doesn't matter. We need a command prompt because we're going to be running a command. But first we need to navigate to that directory we've just created, which is f-remoteplay for me. Let's clear that so I don't have to constantly have my name censored. Lol. Here you want to run msiexec. Give it /A, go ahead and shift right click on the MSI file we've copied and select copy as path. Go ahead and paste that path by right clicking or Control V in terminal. To the end, we're going to add /QB TARGETDIR equals to quotation marks, and set that to some folder somewhere. It doesn't need to exist. It will create it for you. I'm just going to set it to f/RemotePlayContent because that's easy to type out. What this command is going to do is it's going to extract the contents of this MSI installer we've got over here. So if we're going to run this, msiexec will extract it for us. And there we go. Here we've got the contents. All right. Now we've got this program files folder here. What you want to do with it is you want to cut it, go to your C drive, and paste it. For me, it's going to say those files already exist because, of course, I've already done this myself. And that's it. Now you've got RemotePlay. RemotePlay is basically installed now, but Windows doesn't know about RemotePlay because we just extracted the contents of that installer and we never actually used the installer to install RemotePlay. And what that means is RemotePlay won't show up in your apps list in the start menu or have a shortcut on your desktop. And it will also never show up in control panel or in settings in your apps list. Because we're lazy and we're not going to tell Windows. Yeah. So what we do instead is right-click this RemotePlay exe file, which is, by the way, the main executable, and just pin it to start or pin it to your taskbar, whatever you want. By the way, now we can get rid of this installer. Just go ahead and close it, because we've left it open so it keeps those temporary files in the temporary directory we accessed earlier. Now you can also go ahead and delete the 2 folders we created because we don't need them anymore. And it's just great to keep everything clean. And now we just go ahead and launch RemotePlay. That's it. You've got RemotePlay now. By the way, fun fact, if you go into Steam settings, there's this tab called RemotePlay, which has the same name as RemotePlay. You know, PlayStation RemotePlay. But it's actually Steam RemotePlay. You want to go ahead and open a terminal in that folder. If you're on Windows 10, you want to go at... Jesus Christ. Did I actually forget the second quotation mark? What?